What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol ATER for Aterian Inc. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. This, of course, will be more of an update. We've covered this one semi-regularly now on the channel, and the main thing to discuss is, of course, the fact that we bounced right off of the support trendline. Go ahead and watch the prior day's video on where and how we arrived at that number. Anyways, talking about how this might unfold into a potential reversal. Notice I said potential, not guarantee, but this is what I'm seeing from the 30-minute intraday perspective, right? I can clearly see that we have this, and then we have a lower low, and if we put in a higher low, then what do we have? An inverted head and shoulders, some sort of neckline gets put in, something like this, and a break of that neckline takes us into the first overhead target, which is going to be the real major hurdle to get over at 1328. After that, I can easily see prices coming back up into 1616, just noting that in here, there's not a lot of market structure, right? Very emotional buying on the gap up day and very emotional selling on the move lower here. So in here, basically treat that as a gap, right? And in past history, we also do truly have a gap from in here. Now that gap has filled, but with very little liquidity and structure building out inside of it. Again, I can easily see prices making a quick and snappy move up towards that 1616 on the break of 1328. So that's one potential scenario for the upside reversal that I will be watching for here inside of ATER. If we do roll over, if this was only good for a quick dead cat bounce off the lows here, again, if you were looking for a swing up to the highs, your stop has to be underneath the lows of today's reversal, essentially. But if you're not in yet and this does roll over, again, the support trend line on a very close proximity touch like that is not a buy on the second go around. You really need to make the higher high first, and it just simply wouldn't be the case, right? So not buying the support trend line on the second go, really being patient, waiting to see if we truly come into 9 and retest this prior breakout point, right? So resistance led to breakout, and if that goes, probably being very patient and waiting to see what happens down towards $5.55. Not saying it has to completely roll over, get there all in one day, but from a structural standpoint, that would be the next area on a break of 9 where I could potentially start looking for types of hammer candles, right? We see something like this, indecision dojis, basically anything that would make you question, okay, is this pullback ending? Can we flip long over the highs and get back up into some of those overhead targets, which we've just discussed in today's video? So that's what I'm thinking inside of ATER. If you enjoyed the update, let me know down below in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.